Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Great, thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a great night. Hey, everybody. For the first time in a very long time, I'm getting on my favorite aircraft, Boeing 747 of Lufthansa, to head to Europe, and I'm excited. Woohoo! And this is Lufthansa, the main European airline. Bless you.
Better watch your batteries on that. You'll run out before the flight's over.
I know.
I guess you can charge with it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can.
That's not bad.
I know, it isn't.
That's a great way to actually.
We're getting on board. Good evening, I'm in 33B.
33B, the first
Hey, thanks. Ah, look at this. My mistake. We're on board. Oh, excuse us. Oh, I'm sorry. Here we are.